Hello. After big mess around, so I finally finalized assembly of the Miele Kitchen. So this is for my son's birthday gift, and he loves plays those kind of food and cooking stuff. And also I buy for him a coffee machine. I'm gonna in place in this tomorrow morning. When he wake up, he will see this his present. So this is quick overview about the product what I buy from the Amazon, and this is Miele Kitchen. So basically there is microwave here, nothing else, and it's empty shelf, but just a toy. And here some of the pictures they printed, and you can place anything. And here's a tub. There is no water in it. It's to rotate left and right, and also a sink here. There's no water output. So 5 of these assembly stuff, and you can in place any else. They come with inside the box 3 of the piece cookware. So, and also 1, 2 steel piece of the 3 piece of the steel, and 1 what's the name of pan, and this is about saucepan or whatever they call. Basically there's only 1 electric feature inside. It works with 3 AC battery. When you place, there is a sound and cooking sound, and here similar stuff, so it's give you light and the sound. And here is oven. So those machines are not working like wood. When you open the door, you can place something in oven, and 2 shell he can place anything around. So basically this is a Miele Kitchen from the Amazon, and I hope you enjoy to watch assembly. I'll do the time-lapse video assembly process, and it takes about half to 1 hour by myself. And tomorrow he will see his birthday, and I'm gonna maybe I'm gonna take reaction of him by video if I wake up from earlier from him. So thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Have a nice day.